If you have up to 20 USD, 50 USD, then you want to join me and let's trade XAUUSD every single day and make profit every single day. And why am I asking you to join and start trading with me? Then you want to stick to the end of this video, because this video going to be a game changer. Imagine yourself having this floating profit 25 USD in the morning as a newbie trader, as someone who's just starting out in the forex industry, in the commodity industry, in the gold industry. Then you want to as well watch this video to the end, because what I'm going to give you is something that's going to change the game for you. So looking right here, I caught this buy. Basically, if I come to my trading view, you're going to see where I caught this buy at 40.86 and anticipated 4103 as TP1 and 4113 as TP2. Now, and if you watch right now, I'm already off floating profit of over $72 with a $50 account. And now, if you're someone who want to take this kind of trade, all you want to do is to make sure you have an account on either XNS, you have an account on either Access Market. I'm talking about this. All you want to do, you can go ahead and check other videos I've made about Access Market and XNS broker. You set up an account of this broker, then get funded 20, and then once you're funded, the next you want to do, you can come to this Telegram channel. And this is my Telegram channel. We have over 420 subscribers on this channel, and what I do right here, I give free signals, and also I also run a campaign which is a joint trading campaign, and this joint trading campaign is also currently going on for next month, right? And what you would do as well is, on this joint trading campaign, we set up a slot for $200 slots, $500 slots, and for each slot you get, you walk away with a certain amount of profit. And if you join with the $200 slot, you as well make over $1,200 slot, your $200 capital, and a profit of over $1,000 free. You're going to be walking away after we've made a trade, and we also tend to lose the money with as well retrade and get the profit back, and as well refund those people who lost the money. How amazing is this? And other than that, I give trades every day. This morning, today, as at the time I'm recording this video, I call XAUUSD as at high risk buy gold at 6:41 a.m. on a Monday morning, and right here you can see the trade basically, and we've already hit TP1. And this is the kind of community you want to measure yourself in if you want to make good money from the market right there. And if this interests you, all I want you to do is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment on the comment section if you're going to be joining me. Let's trade XAUUSD and make profit for yourself, not for me but for you. And with that said, until I see you in my next video, keep winning, share this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. Stay safe and peace out.